Another thing that is very, very common is you often see Salafis having this really fanaticism towards Saudi Arabia. Is this part of Salafiyah then, to have a fanaticism towards Saudi Arabia, or is this something that just the Salafis do?
I mean, again, it brings me back to the point I was mentioning, which is you can find Salafis do things and say things. You can see Salafis act in a particular way. That doesn't in any way, shape or form have anything to do with Salafiyah itself, the madhab.
Okay.
Munafiqeen attributed themselves to Islam. Can we now then say this is what Muslims are like?
No.
You know,
yeah, I understand.
That's the reality.
That's a point well proven.
So whoever you find, when we look at madhab al-Salaf, and we look at the methodology of the Salaf, and we find that individual not in line with the Quran and the Sunnah, he's not in line with how the companions were, then what we say is, you are not Salafi, however much claims that you put forward, however much you say you are Salafi.
Okay.
Because this is what Salafiyah stands on. These are the usul of the Salafiyah. This is the foundation of Salafiyah. So I can't defend individuals. Okay. My job isn't to defend a particular sheikh, or I'm not here to defend a particular individual in the dawah scene or something like that. I can only speak for this madhab. You know, فَإِنَّ الْحَيَّ لَا تُؤْمَنُ عَلَيْهِ الْفِتْنَةِ. A person who's alive, no one can give them reassurance. If you're alive, you can do mistakes. Does that mean madhab is Salaf is wrong?
Yeah, okay.